We'll guide you through how to install Sodium in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Sodium is a great tool for optimizing Minecraft, so let's go and get started. First of all, go and quit Minecraft like so. Then what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. I'll just use Google Chrome in this case. And what you need to do is go and search for Minecraft Sodium like so. And what you can then do is go and come to the CurseForge sites where I like to get my mods from. You can go and click on files to the right of the description. Then all you want to do is go and scroll down here and you're going to see lots of different files. So the main difference here is what the version is for. So in this case, I like to go and get a released version. They're betas, but I like to get a release. And we can go and see the most recent one we can get is for Minecraft 1.21.1. Note that down as we'll need to know the version in a moment. So come over to the right, click on the three dots and click on download file like so. The download will then soon automatically begin, just like so. Now to go and install this, we're going to need a launcher. But just before we get any further, a big shout out to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. Apex Hosting are my go-to Minecraft server host. They've got so many awesome features. For example, instant setup, one-click mod packs, DDoS protection, and so much more. So if you want to go and get started and playing with your friends on a server, then check them out. At the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. I'll go and put a link down below in the description and the comments. A big thank you to them for sponsoring this video. To go and run Sodium, we're going to need something called Minecraft Fabric. It's basically a launcher, so all you want to do is go and search for it like so. You can come to the site fabricmc.net and you can then click on the download button like so. And you can click on download for Windows. Most mods will also require the Fabric API, so go and click there as well. Click on files throughout the description and scroll down. What's super important is you get the API for the version we got Sodium for, which is 1.21.1. So here it is, 1.21.1. Click on the three dots and click on download file. You've now downloaded what you need, so you can come out of your web browser, you can open up your file explorer and come to downloads. So here is what I've got. I'm just going to drag them onto my desktop just to make things easier. And so then what we need to do is first of all go and install the Fabric installer. So double click on it like so. For the version, make sure you install the same version as you got Sodium for. For me, that was 1.21.1. And you can then go and click on install like so, and like that, it's now finished. Now that you've installed it, come to the bottom of your computer and click on search. And you have to go and type in Minecraft Launcher like I've done there. Click on installations at the top. Then all you need to do is go and scroll down until you can see Fabric Loader. I've got a few here as I've used it before. Find the version you just installed and click on the folder icon to the right when hovering over it and it will pop up. Then all you need to do is scroll through here until you find the mods folder. Now what we need to do is go and add Sodium and the API into there. So we'll go and drag the API in and Sodium like so. And now what you can do is go and click on play to the right, or click on play on the main screen, make sure Fabric is selected and then press play. You'll know Sodium has been successfully installed as when you click on options and then go and click on video settings, it will go and look different.